All right, guys. We are back. I know you're probably just about tired of coat racks at this point, but I'm sorry. We're prepping up for a show, and I kind of prepping some stuff, what we call smalls. Some things for people who can't afford the out and out art or have no spot for it. So I'm kind of preparing some stuff. This in particular is the fork hooks. It's a little plaque for the fork hooks. We're going to be selling the fork hooks at about $10. These with the backing will go for about $25. It's for people who want something all ready to go. Don't have anything they want to put the fork hooks on. Let's see here. Again, I'm grabbing these guys. Now I'm just looking for nails that are small enough. There we go. I know I'm searching through. I should have thought before the video about this. I'll get better at this stuff. There we go. These guys right here. Now, this is going to be the back. See, it's got the nice grain on the front here. And it's got, these are going to kind of be rustic. We're going to mark the 7. And now, just like the last of the coat racks, we're just going to nail this guy into place. All right. Nail both sides. So you just make it easy to hang on the wall. There we go. Now with these, I'm actually going to use these two as spacers on the other side. And that way it's raised up that far. Now, and we'll just nail in the side. We'll just move these over. In the long term, I'll probably find, so the last time I did the art hooks and these were pretty popular. You got good power. Must have hit like a knot or something there. Ooh, nope. There we go. Then we're just going to move these over here. You see we're getting a nice little... The thing is, the reason why I'm spacing it up is because when you put it on the wall, this is actually going to be hidden. It's going to sit flush on the wall, which is a nice little detail. Doesn't take me a lot of time to do. It's kind of the difference in me and some of the other like people that aren't looking at that detail. I don't know of anybody really doing these exact things, but you know, there's always someone. And I've a lot of people making pallet wood. My mother used to do a lot of work out of pallet wood. I've got a long time. Let's see if we got one that'll fit nice here. And then I'm going to massage this corner right over here. And yes, I just used a grinder to do that. It's the closest thing at hand. I'm gonna have to find where I set the nails. Oh, right there. So if any of you guys are looking to do this kind of work, this is a real nice handy nailer that I use for just about everything. I've used it when I was with Mr. Handyman, used it on my own jobs, used it trimming my house, used it on my last job. They had one just like it that went out, but I don't know how old it was. But it's done well. Can't say that about every Ryobi tool I have. Lately I've had an issue with one of their tools that has a long-term Ryobi like loyalist, I guess, for lack of any other word. I was kind of disappointed about the way that they held up to their warranty, but this particular thing I cannot complain about a bit. I love that. All right, now we need a drill. Can't believe I didn't think about a drill. So once again, I think we're going to use these screws that we've been using for all of them. These are the leftover screws from the Venetian blinds. And so it's 7 inches. So we're going to go 3.5. And 1.5 inches, 1.5 inches. That looks right to me. We're going to go. I think this tip is bad. Sorry for the quiet feed. It's just a lot of going back and forth, finding the stuff. Kind of prepping up for the mass assembly line that's probably going to happen with these. I'm not going to build that many. I don't build that many. But I do try to build them usually at least 5 at a time. Pick it up just a little bit. There we go. Now the last little thing to finish these off is we're going to flip that over. We are going to cut the ends off these screws. Now, some of you guys might be asking, well, why don't you just buy screws the length you want? And it's a very simple thing. I like to recycle. Yeah, 2 1/8, 2 1/8. All right. I like that. So there's the finished product. You can see that it's going to sit flush on the wall. It's got the hanger. These I do handmade. You can see these were handmade out of a pallet. It's rustic. I would say it's that modern rustic look is what they're calling it when you mix metal into it. So, all right, guys, thanks so much.